Hey Jade, tell everybody hello in your special Jade way, huh? You gonna tell everybody hello in your special Jade way? Huh? Or you just hiccuping? All you're gonna do is hiccup. Well, Mom, at least you can say goodnight to Grandma or Manga, huh? Say goodnight, Manga. I love you, Uncle Josh, and Dara, Grandpa, Anna, Colin, whoever else might watch the video. Good night. Gonna be awake for a long time. Party all night long, probably. 'Cause that's how we roll. Good life, yeah. Good night. Good night.